love it. We've been staying here for about 5 to 6 years now, and he's been coming here since he was 14. We're just going to give you a preview of what you can expect if you stay here for a weekend. So let's get going. They got ducks on their thing.
They're like little bums.
Yeah.
Every time someone breaks open a bag of chips.
Mine. There's a bathhouse. And a laundry room, and there's a laundry room in there.
And then there's a really big cabin above that you can rent if you have like a big family event or something. Like 2 stories up there, and then a back porch.
And the bathrooms are really nice. They're good at keeping them clean. This is Enota's farm. They got little baby chickens and grown chickens, little bunnies and pigs, cows, a goat named Shadow. I think there's a horse over there. But you can feed them and come and check them out. They're pretty cool.
So why are we eating in the back of the car?
We forgot our lantern. And yep, this is our light source and my little headlamp.
You gotta do what you gotta do, right?
Hey guys, so that was Enota Mountain Retreat. We hope you enjoyed it. If you're ever in the area, stop by and see it. It's great. We love it. We think it's great for really anybody. It's great for families. It's got that the farm, the playground, trout fishing, waterfalls. There's so much to do for everybody. It's really great. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.